Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. If you're new, you're very welcome, and to all of our returning subscribers, a big hug for each and every one of you. Thank you so much for always coming back. So in today's video, I just want to I'm making customers order anyway, so I say let me show you guys the way I make my mosa. This is ripened banana. I know some people use like overripe plantain, but I prefer banana because I don't like the taste of the plantain type. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to mix the puff puff because it wants mosa and as well wants puff puff. So I'm just going to mix the puff puff. Remember our puff puff mix. If you haven't seen the video of our puff puff mix, you can as well go and check for the video, so you can focus on the screen to get the measurements here, but then let's move. So in this video, I'll be showing you in this puff puff mix, when you make a mistake by adding excess water, this is what you can easily do. Like I started with 2 cups of puff puff, but I ended up adding too much water. What I did was to add extra 1 cup. Okay, that's not even it. I will show you the consistency of which I left this mix. Like, it wasn't the normal consistency that you know or that I have showed you before. It's actually different. Like, it's more thicker. You will get to see it, but I'm just explaining. It's more thicker. You get, like, it barely leave the spatula I was using. This is because some of us don't like oily puff puff. We don't like oily, like me for say, I don't like oily puff puff. Like when I'm eating puff puff, my hands are oily or my mouth are oily. So this is what you want to do. You want to make your batter very thick, just like you see in the video. I'm not going to add extra water as you are seeing it now. I'm just going to finish mixing it like this and then cover for it to proof. By the time it's proof, you fry, you are still going to get the soft puff puff mix. You are still going to get the texture of puff puff that you like, but it's not going to be oily because too much of water attracts oil in puff puff. And also, if you are a sweet tooth person and you use too much of sugar, expect nothing less or nothing more than a oily puff puff. So my darlings, let's make mosa. I make a spicy mosa because a Yoruba man wants a spicy mosa, so I gave him spicy. So this is the same puff puff mix, the one that you all know. Nothing added to that mix. I added 1.5 puff puff mix to 4 to 5 medium sized banana that I have already mashed in the bowl. Then I went ahead and add pepper. This is the only extra ingredient I'm adding to this mix, so I added enough pepper just as the clients have specified, and I'm just going to mix, and I'm going to mix this with, I think, 1 cup of water. Yes, I added just 1 cup of water. You don't need too much water because the banana is already soft, like it will add more moist to the batter. So what you want to do is to mix. I usually don't match my banana too much because when I'm eating it, or when the way my customer also like it, they like eating the banana in it. So that is why I didn't match it too much. And another reason is because I don't have a matcher. I will try and buy, but for now let's just do it. I hate matching banana. That is why I am running from banana cakes, because I don't have strength. So guys, as I was saying, I'm just going to mix this normally, the way we mix our puff puff normal day. So I mix this thing and I just cover it with a pot lid and preserve it the same way I preserve puff puff. Check the video down below. So in the kitchen, I'm going to start by frying the mosa. My oil is already preheated, so the mosa is very much ready to go in. I'm going to start by frying the mosa just because I don't know if my phone battery is going to die soon. So I've showed you what the mosa proofing looks like. I'm just running my hands through it to get the air out of it. So what you want to do while frying mosa, you are not going to make the shape perfect in any way. That is because once it's frying, it comes together. Like, you are going to get the shape that you expect for Mosa. Mosa is not very perfect like puff puff, never. It comes softer and I don't know, but it looks okay anyway. So I'm just scooping it in one at a time. So you see, I'm not even worried about how the shape comes out, but at the end of the day it's still going to look better than it looks when I put it on the oil. So let me just allow you enjoy.
I no go stop, I no go set. My light is never gonna die. Then I go fire.
Hey guys, I'm here. I don't get carried away, okay? So you can see how beautiful this look. It looks really nice and it tastes even better. Like it's so golden. So guys, don't bother making regular puff puff again. Make this for your kids, make this for Christmas and enjoy. See how beautiful it is. Like I said, it doesn't look anything like puff puff. This one has its own grace, like it has its own yumminess in it. Enjoy guys, bye. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, comment and share. Thank you. Bye.